my name is Darshine. I'm from ID 19. I have finished my diploma in International Tourism Academy. Currently, I'm working in SATS and I got the offer at Singapore Airlines as a cabin crew. To my juniors who ever want to be in aviation field, you can join in 𝒉𝒊𝒈, and there's a lot of trainers to motivate, to encourage you. You can learn more skills about aviation and they will always motivate you. Just don't give up, try your best. Thank you for all the trainers who ever train and motivates me, teach me a lot, especially to Mr. Roslan, Madam Karen and Sharon. Thank you for Mr. Hillary and Madam Chong, always motivates me.